All right, let's take this test. All right. What is energy stored in the nucleus of an atom called? Nucleus, atom, energy, something. Oh, nuclear energy. Nucleus, nuclear energy. Got it. What is the energy that comes from the movement of atoms and molecules and substances? This is the vibration of atoms. This one is going to be kinetic thermal. Thermal energy. It comes from the movement of atoms and molecules. Um, what is the amount of matter in an object? That's going to be called mass. Amount of stuff inside of objects. What is the energy an object passes or possesses due to its motion? This is going to be kinetic energy, probably kinetic mechanical. There we go. Energy due to motion, kinetic mechanical. Which principle states for every action there's equal and opposite reaction? So for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. That is Newton's third law. All right, which term best describes mass per unit volume? Mass divided by something per volume is density. Let's see. What is the energy stored in an object due to its position due to gravity? Energy stored, so that's going to be potential energy of some sort. Potential gravitational. There we go. What is a complex machine designed to perform a simple task? That's called a Rube Goldberg machine. Let's find that one. Rube Goldberg machine. There we go. Complex machine. Rube Goldberg machine. What is the process of energy moving from one object to another in a system called? Oh, it's called an energy transfer. It's transferring that energy. So do we have that one? There it is. Cool. A push or a pull on an object that can cause it to accelerate is called a what? A push or a pull, that's called a force. Should remember that one from 8th grade. The following measures the duration of an event. That's going to be time. What is the term for speed with direction? That one's velocity. The rate at which objects covers a distance. That's going to be speed. Rate at which an object covers a distance. Distance divided by time. What is collision or a forceful contact between two objects? Something about collisions. Let's see. An impact. Impact and collision. What is the total area of a surface of a three-dimensional object? That should be the area, right? Where'd it go? There it is. Total area, or the surface. Oh, surface area. There's one down here. Surface area? There it is. Surface area, surface area. Energy stored in an object when stretched or compressed. Stored, so potential, it's going to be one of these three. Potential, or maybe is there more? Yeah, there's more. Potential elastic. There it is. Which principle states an object in motion stays in motion, an object at rest stays at rest? That is Newton's first law. What do we call a force of gravity acting on an object's mass? So mass and gravity, that's going to be weight. Which principle states an object in motion stays in motion, an object at rest stays at rest? Oh, just did that one. What is the overall force? Overall. Net force. Overall force, net force. All net force, force. Energy and sound waves. This is going to be something that says sound. Oh wow, look, sound. What type of energy is carried by sound waves? Got it. Energy carried by light waves. What? Something that probably says light. Aha, got it. Which force opposes motion of objects through air? Something about air. Is air in here? Air resistance. Energy stored in chemical bonds. Something probably about chemical and stored energy, so it's going to be potential, potential chemical energy. Got it. Energy, electric charge. Moving. Looking for something that says energy and electric. There it is. The rate of change of velocity. This one's probably a really hard one. Acceleration, what we're focusing on in week 7. What is the length between 2 points called? That's called the distance. And which law states that acceleration is the directly proportional to the net force and inversely proportional to mass? Force equal mass times acceleration. That is Newton's second law. Cool. Got it. All right. At this point, I'm going to be posting the password right here. Make sure you don't click off of it. Get that password, take the test again. Good luck.